In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluehost domain to Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click in your Wix dashboard to start the connection and what to expect next. Before we begin, make sure you have a published Wix site you want to connect, an active domain registered with Bluehost, and access to both accounts. Also note that connecting a custom domain usually requires a paid Wix plan, so if you're on a free plan, you'll be prompted to upgrade during the process. Start in your Wix dashboard and head to the Setup area. This is the central checklist that helps you get your site ready to go live. It's a great place to keep track of essentials like your domain, favicon, and site settings. Opening Setup puts everything in one place so you don't have to hunt through different menus. From there, open Settings. Settings is where Wix keeps most of the important controls for your site, including domains, business info, and integrations. Going through settings ensures you're working inside the official flow that Wix uses to connect external domains, which helps avoid common mistakes. Next, select domains. This opens Wix's domain manager. If you've ever bought a domain directly from Wix, you'll see it listed here. In our case, we're connecting a domain that lives with Bluehost, so we'll use the option to connect an existing domain. The domains page is where Wix recognizes your registrar and offers a guided connection with on-screen prompts. Now, type in your domain name exactly as it's registered at Bluehost. Use your root domain, like example.com. Without HTTP or HTTPS, you can choose whether you want to use the do version as your primary later, but entering the base domain keeps things clean. Double-check spelling, avoid extra spaces, and confirm there are no typos. A small mistake here can send you chasing issues that are hard to spot later. Finally, click Let's Go. This begins Wix's guided connection flow. Wix will detect that your domain is with a third-party registrar and provide clear, step-by-step instructions tailored to your setup. You'll see what needs to happen next and any verification prompts if applicable. After you follow the on-screen guidance, it can take some time for changes to take effect across the internet. DNS propagation is normal and may take a few minutes up to 48 hours. During that window, your site might appear connected for some visitors and not for others. That's it. You've started the official connection process from inside Wix. Keep your Wix dashboard open, follow any prompts you see, and give the changes time to propagate. When everything updates, your Bluehost domain will point to your Wix site smoothly.